Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button. You just enter, click on, and after that you have to type your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. Click on product, then click to the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system because all Windows 10 and 11 both operating system installations process same. Select any. Bluetooth driver. See, this is Bluetooth driver and click to download. It is start downloading. You can see it will complete. Just single click to open. It is installed and just open it and double click to exe and then yes. Installing, so wait few seconds, it will close automatically, means this is installed. Okay, and then close it.